Here are 8 things that you can do to keep your costs down during your artist vacation workshop. First, if you're a first-timer, invite a sketching buddy and you and your friend will both get $50 off if the workshop sells out. Second, find out if you can share a room with another participant. Maybe you'll meet your new best friend. Third, find out if you can share transportation from the airport with another participant and cut that cost in half. Number 4, pack carry-on luggage only and you can save $60 to $200 on checked bag fees. Number 5, prepare little picnics from supplies bought locally and avoid expensive restaurants. Number 6, staying in the group hotel is optional. Maybe an Airbnb would be cheaper for you. Number 7, sign up early. If you pay your deposit before the early bird deadline, you will save $200. And finally, book your second workshop and you'll be eligible for the VIP members' $100 discount.